If you want to change the DPI settings on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we have two main ways to do so. The first method is by going to settings, then over here we need to scroll all the way down and choose additional settings, and we want to go to accessibility. And now over here we need to switch to the vision tab, and then we want to go to display size. Over here we have a simple way to change the DPI setting and choose the one that we wish to use. And after that we can save by tapping on this check in the top right corner. The other way to change the DPI settings involves using developer options. So we need to first go to About Phone in the settings, and we need to keep tapping on the US version until we see the information that we are now a developer. After that we can go back, scroll all the way down and return to additional settings, and this time scroll down in order to find the developer options. And now over here we are looking for an option that allows us to adjust the DPI. So let's see if we can find it. There we go. It is called smallest width. It is actually found in the drawing section. So here we can provide the desired number. The bigger the number, the smaller the screen is. So for example, if I set it to 600 and press OK, then at least those buttons are adjusted. So unfortunately, or the keyboard, let's say. So unfortunately, this option seems to be not properly working. It only works like partially. If I try to make it smaller, then as you can see, those buttons are much bigger. But I think everything else is pretty much the same. So I'm gonna set up 600 again in order to try to find a difference. So also the widget is much smaller over here, and that is essentially it. I think the app size or icons of these apps are actually, they remain the same, but widgets are affected, and those buttons and probably some other stuff, like you can see here now in the app, the keyboard is a little bit smaller and everything else here is impacted. So nearly everything except for settings or the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.